Hi, I'm Toby, and in this video I will show you how you can service the G-Flame cartridge holders by yourself. So for this we will need a tube with water, a dishwasher liquid, 1 or 2 gas cartridges, a towel or something else. I have brand new cartridge holders, one normal one and one from the power upgrade. And for reference, one leaking cartridge holder, just to show you how it looks if the cartridge holder is leaking. First of all, take the dishwasher liquid and put it into the water. And mix it together. The next step is to take your cartridge holders, take the gas cartridge and put it inside the cartridge holder. Then open the valve so the gas can come inside of the cartridge holder. Then close the valve again and put it to the next valve. And also open this one here and then close it again. So now we have filled in the gas into this cartridge holder and we have closed both valves. If you also want to check, and we also recommend it, that you also check if the quick connector is sealed and tight, if it's plugged in. So you can plug it into a power upgrade manifold, for example, just to make sure you also check the connection. Next step, put it into the water bath. Now please wait a few seconds. So if something is leaking, you would see some air bubbles coming up from the connections, from the glue connections, or also from the connection between the quick couplers. But as you see, this one looks pretty good. So now we have removed the cartridge holders from the water and we put it by side and wait a few minutes. In this time, I can show you how it looks like if you have a leaking one. Now you can see how it looks like if something is leaking. You can see the gas coming out from the connector. And also you can see it here a bit, I think. Sometimes it does not look like this, but for this we have our soap in the water. So we take it out of the water and put it to the side. And also here, now we wait a few minutes. So after a few minutes you will see all the bubbles and all the air, and the soap shows you where the connection is leaking. So in this case nearly everything is leaking and it should not look like this. If we have a look to the new ones, for example here, everything is looking very good. Nothing is leaking and it should look like this. To extend the lifetime of your gas cartridge holder, use a silicone spray and put it into every single connection. So here in the quick coupler and also into the connection for the gas cartridges. This will extend the lifetime of the O-rings and also extend the lifetime of your cartridge holder. So if you have leaking cartridge holders, please fill out the attached repair document, contact us and send us the leaking cartridge holders. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time. Bye.